really want to play with it.
Sapuri was the best part.
Huh?
Sapuri. Pineapple.
What a pineapple!
You can see the pineapple plant here. It was so tiny. That is the original one. That is the parent seed or plant, you can say. And now this is the new growth. So lush green.
Your boy is sitting up there. No. Please don't.
And there is pudina.
Okay.
And this is methi. This is all methi. That's the tomato plant. And there is one little tomato here. That's the money plant. More tomato plants. And that's the lemon. I put the seed and it came up. There is one more lemon, little tiny one here.
Like a toast.
This one, but it is not
Now
growing.
we're taking the game. Stop the game. Peter, go here.
What are you doing?
I'm playing chess. Chess game one. I'm playing on myself.
That's a chess board. That's a glass chess.
I really like this one. The mommy gave it to me.
Mommy gave it to you. I gave it to you.
Yeah. I was just joking.
You are joking.
I love joking.